Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a drone tour of the hotels in New Kingston. Now straight ahead we're looking at the Wyndham Hotel, and beside it is the Courtley, and then beside the Courtley, or to the left of the Courtley, is the Pegasus. And the Wyndham, which we're zooming in on now, it's under renovation, and it's the fourth tallest building in Jamaica. And then now the building that's coming into view on the left is the Courtley Hotel. That one is up and running and it's open for business. And then beside the Courtley to the left, it will come into view soon, is the Pegasus Hotel, which is the tallest building in Jamaica. And the Courtley is on the list of the 20 tallest buildings. I don't remember where the number is now, and it would have changed because some new buildings have come on. So we're actually going to go through the list of the tallest buildings in Jamaica in a video coming up. So this is the Pegasus Hotel now, which is the tallest building in Jamaica for now. It's going to change soon by the end of the year. The Pegasus, the Courtley, and the Wyndham have one thing in common. Yes, they're all hotels in New Kingston, but they're also owned by the same company. They're owned by the Courtley Hospitality Group, which is led by Kevin Hendrickson. So the group has a plan to join all three properties via basically the parking lots for all three properties will be one parking lot. Basically, there's going to still be three different hotels, probably under three different names, but you're going to have just like one parking lot. You won't have a fence separating them basically. And the Pegasus is actually being renovated. There's a redevelopment plan going on now to have the hotel renovated. The Courtley is also being some upgrading going on, but both hotels are still open. The Wyndham now is closed, and it has been closed for quite a while now, probably from 2014. They are renovating it, and they expect for it to be open in 2024. So we're taking a look at New Kingston now. That building you're looking at is a building going up on Haining Road. The one that is under construction. And we actually have a video up of going into more detail about that building. I'm not sure what that building is that we're looking at now, the blue building. If anybody knows, you can let us know. But it seems to be a very large building. Okay, now you're looking at the NCB towers. The first one is the South Tower. The one on the left now is the North Tower. And then the building you're looking at now is One Belmont, which is a commercial building that's going up. There is a lot of construction going on in Jamaica. I've never seen this level of construction in Jamaica before. And this that you're looking at in New Kingston is just the tip of the iceberg. The tip of the iceberg. We'll go into that later on. Okay, so this is the Pegasus coming into view again. Even here, where you're looking at the Wyndham, they plan to put up, or they have plans to put up a 28-story building, which will make it the tallest building in Jamaica beside the Wyndham. There is a parking lot. Let's see if we can zoom in, but right in front of the Wyndham, okay, there's a parking lot, and they plan to put up a 28-story building, and they said it might even go as high as 32 floors if they can get approval for it, and that will make it the largest building in Jamaica. Of course, it's going to be part of the whole Courtley hospitality group. But we'll go into that plan in more details in another video. Today we're just looking at the hotels. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Okay, earlier we had said the Pegasus is going to be, it is the tallest building in Jamaica as of today. But the Rogers, the Pegasus is 17 floors and the Rogers is under construction. The Rogers is an apartment building just on the outskirts of New Kingston, and that's going to be 20 floors. So that building at the end of the year will have the title as largest building in Jamaica or tallest building. But the Ascent is being built where you saw the NCB towers. That's where the Ascent is going to be built, and that one is going to be 27 floors. But they just started construction this month, so it won't be ready for now. And then if the hotel is built in front of the Wyndham in the parking lot, that will be between 28 and 32 floors. So that will become the tallest building in Jamaica if they go ahead with the project. Also in Montego Bay, they're building the Vistas at Montego Bay. I'm not sure if they've gotten approval yet, but the design is done, and that one will be 28 floors also. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.